The name AERO defines space or AR elements of BattleTech universe. AERO begins by assigning the client in defining their requirements, priorities, and desired benefits. By default, both C and ADA languages are used in AERO technology. But in this video, we are going to describe about AERO technology and the use of ADA language. Additionally, in AERO technology, safety is an important issue. While safety critical characteristics we have been introduced into the design of many programming languages. ADA is a language specifically targeted at life critical system. Now we'll take a look at the history of ADA. ADA developed between 1975 and 1984 by the US Department of Defense, maybe called as DoD. ADA has been classically targeted for the use in mission critical embedded systems that emphasize safety, low cost, and near perfect degree of reliability. Additionally, ADA construct to the Canadian Space Agency CSA, McDonnell Dougherty DMA choose open source GNet ADA 95 for ADA core technologies to develop control software for the mobile servicing system MSS. Normally MSS is used for aerospace system. Basically it contains the space shuttle flight technologies and rocket technologies. The complement one is the space shuttle, and other than that, an essential component of the International Space Stations also develop control using the software. The MSS is a complex robotic manipulator system that plays a key role in space station assembly and maintenance. It helps to move equipment and supplies around the station, supports astronauts working in space, and services in instruments and other play role attached to the space station. And here we can see a picture of a Canadian astronaut also, that they are just working in some sort of space shuttle. Now we will see about what's the programming ADA is going to have a role in space. Ideal for a program like the MSS, ADA has clearly covered itself a comfortable and sustainable niche in large, complex, high reliability systems, including safety critical system where humans' life may be at stake. This language, which has little visibility compared with its cousins C and C++, continues be very effective in developing systems that absolutely must be reliable. So it is no surprise that find ADA in space. A harsh, unyielding environment where the slightest malfunctions can load to death. Safety critical designs constructs that need to be formally and rigorously specified, designed, and implemented. Basically, we can see that if you want to do some researches in space or something, that means the programmers have to make sure about the safety of them, because some people have to go there, or they have to put a lot of efforts and money to do this stuff. So we can easily get any errors while doing these space things. And I will more deeper than about ADA in space. Safety critical software systems like Canadarm 2 offer employ multiple levels of safety criticality. Historically, these have been developed on systems where each function executes on a dedicated processor. The need of lower maintenance cost and reduce the size, weight, and the power consumptions of older embedded computer systems, combined with the availability of modern processor technology, has created the demand for commercial runtime system. Yeah, as I said, if they want to go to a space, the weight have to be reduced, and the size also have to be little, and it have to consume less power. Like that, there are so many things. All the things are covered in ADA. Other than that, ADA cause Genet high integrity edition, no runtime interaction instantiation of ADA 95 was used to develop Canadrum 2, allowing processing tasks with multiple threads of activities, as well as coordination of conformance of multiple processes combining over well-defined interfaces. Genet also facilitates a software architecture and implementation that seamlessly essential, allowing the integration of future phases of the robotic system. Yeah, we can easily say that in future the robotic, that means the more sensible things are robotic systems. They also can be easily created by those ADA language. Now the main ADA target processor on the Canadrum 2 is an embedded Intel 386 device running on a proprietary board that sits at the heart of the ARM's robotic workstation, RWS. The RWS controls the 7 joint servo mechanisms on the ARM, sending commands to the microprocessors and closing the controller by reading feedback from the patient's seniors. Here they have showed a picture of the mobile serving system robotic workstation, that RWS thing. Okay, we will go through that. The RWS, they are giving more explanations about the RWS computers.
The programmers between 1970 to 1980 use the ADA language, because ADA language is a low level language. Normally, if we see what's meant by low level language, the language will be almost near to the numeric, that means machine language. So the main purpose of the AERO tech is the language have to help the hardwares. The language is going to control the hardware in the AERO technology. So it's better to have a low level language than high level language to control the aeronautic parts. Other than that, you can check. Think why we are not using the high level language. Mostly the speed is consuming the time. So if we give